I hope you all are safe at home. Today, we are going to learn maths subject. Come on, let's learn now. Money. M-O-N-E-Y. Money. 10th chapter. Money. M-O-N-E-Y. Money. Okay, this is a lesson heading. Okay. Today you are going to learn some foreign currencies and Indian currencies. Look at these coins. See, these are some foreign currencies. Okay. America, Singapore, Malaya, like that. Okay, some currencies are here. Come to this one. This side is Indian currencies. 200 rupees note, 100 rupees note, some coins, 1 rupee, 2 rupee, 5 rupee, 20 paise, 5 paise, 50 paise, 25 paise, 10 rupee coin, then 1 rupee, 10 rupee, 20 rupee, 50 rupees. So some currencies are present here. Look at this deeply. Indian currencies. Yes. Now we are going to use some signs. Okay. Now I remove this. Remove all these currencies. I keep it away. Need to erase this. Now you come to this one. See, match the following 10th lesson, chapter 10 money lesson. Match the following notes and coins with their values. Okay. Now we are going to do this. Are you ready to do, kids? Shall we do it now? Yes. Now we are going to match this. Stida. 5 rupees sample note is given here, equal to that. Where is the one more 5 rupee? Yes, it is here. This is symbol for Indian currency. Okay, this is symbol for Indian currency. See that? Yes, 5 rupee. Okay, here also 5 rupee note is present. Here 5 rupees given here. So now we are going to match this two. Next one. See this side. 2 10 rupees notes are given here. In B question, 2 10 rupees note. So 10 plus 10. How much? 10 plus 10, 20. Okay, 10 plus 10, 20. So where is 20 rupees here? Yes, it is here, no? So we should match this. 20 rupees, 20 rupees. Okay. Then come to the next question. 2 rupee coin and 5 rupee coin. 2 plus 5, how much? 7 rupees. Okay. 2 rupee plus 5 rupee. 2 plus 5, 7 rupees. So where is 7 present here? 7 rupee. Yes, it is here. Okay. So match this. Now come to the D question. 5 rupee coin. Here also 5 rupee coin. Totally 2 5 rupee coins are present here. Okay. So 5 plus 5, how much? 5 plus 5, 10. Okay, so where is 10 rupee here? Yes, it is here. So just you connect it. Okay, 5 rupee, 10 plus 10, 20 rupee, 2 plus 5, 7 rupee, 5 plus 5, 10 rupee. Okay kids, shall we move to the next one? Yes, come to this side. See, the second question. Put greater than sign, less than sign or equal sign in the boxes given below. Okay, put greater than, less than or equal sign in the boxes given below. Just we are going to compare these two. Okay, just we are going to compare these two sides. Student, how much here? 10 rupee note. Okay, this side 20 rupee note. So which one is big? 10 na 20 ya? Of course 20 rupees big, no? So less than sign. This wide gap must come to the big number side. Okay, see, come to the B question. 5 rupee, this side also 5 rupee. This one is 5 rupee note. This one is 5 rupee note. This side 5 rupee coin. But both the values are same only. This note, this side note, this side coin. But values are same. Okay, so 5, here also 5. So both are equal. Okay kids, come to the next one. 2 rupee note, here 5 rupee coin. Which one is big? Of course 5 is big number. See, 2 rupee, 5 rupee. 5 is big number, no? So less than sign. Then come to this question, D question. 1 rupee note, here 1 rupee coin. 1 rupee note, 1 rupee coin. Okay kids, 1 rupee note, 1 rupee coin. Both are equal. So we should put here equal sign. We should put here equal sign. Okay kids, have you understood? Okay, now we are going to use a real note, real currencies. Okay kids, see, 1 rupee coin is present here. This side 10 rupee coin. Okay, now which one is big? 1 rupee coin, 10 rupee coin? Yes, 10 rupee coin is big one. So less than sign. Okay, 1 rupee coin is less than 10. Okay, now 20 paise, here also 20 paise. Both are equal. Both are equal. Okay kids, next one. ₹2 coin, here 1 rupee coin. Okay, 2 rupee coin, here 1 rupee coin. Which one is big? Of course this side, no? So greater than sign. Which sign must come here? Greater than sign. 2 rupee is big number, no, compared to this one. So see the 2 rupee coin, 1 rupee coin. This one is big. So greater than sign must come here. Okay kids, have you understood? Now we are going to use a note. Student, see, 200 rupee note. This side 100 rupee. Which one is big? 200 or 100? See, I write here 200. This one is 200 rupee note. This one is this side 100 rupee. Okay, Which one is big? Which sign must come here? Yes, of course. Greater than sign. Okay, kids, have you understood? Shall we move to the next one? See, here 20 rupee note, here 50 rupee note. 20, here 50. Which sign must come here? S. Less than sign. This side is big number, no? 20 rupee note, here 50 rupee note. So we must use here less than sign. Should have big number side, white gap must come, no? S. Shall we move to the next one? See. This side 1 rupee note. This side 10 rupee note. Look at the sign. S. Less than sign. Okay. Here 1 rupee, here 10 rupee. 10 rupee is big one, so we should use this sign. If suppose I keep here 1 rupee note, see, both are equal, no? Both are equal value. Okay, see, both are equal in value. Here also 1 rupee note, here also 1 rupee note. Both are equal, no? So we should use equal sign. Okay, we should use your equal sign. Have you understood, kids? I hope you enjoyed the session. Thanks for listening. Bye to all.